Hello, welcome to IMA. Do you want to edit videos easily without any complex software? Then Microsoft Clipchamp is perfect for you. Clipchamp is a free video editor from Microsoft. You can cut, trim, add text, music, and effects, all in one place. No need for high skills. Just drag and drop. Edit quickly and make it look professional. You can use Clipchamp to create YouTube videos, social media posts, office presentations, awareness or training videos. Finally, export and share your video in HD quality. Easy, fast, and perfect for deaf professionals who want to create amazing videos independently. Are you ready? Let's watch the video. Look at the Clipchamp home screen. You can see options like Create a new video, Create a video with AI, Brand Kit, Templates, Settings, Record yourself, and Text-to-Speech. Inside Templates, you will find options for YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Click on Templates. You will see many different types: YouTube, Instagram, Intro and Outro, Gaming, Corporate, Slideshows, Celebrations, Birthdays, Text overlays, and more. All these templates are supported in Clipchamp in one place. Click on Settings. Then click Billing to see your current plan included in the free plan. Easy video editing, auto composition, filters and effects, and much more. Now look at the Clipchamp Premium plan. Everything in the free plan: 4K export resolution, brand kit, content backup, premium royalty-free stock media, premium filters. Price: 899 rupee per month. Compare free versus premium. Hope you understood. Click on Create a new video or Create a video with AI. Hope you understood. Click Create a new video. You can see options like Import Media, File Name, and Record and Create. Screen and Camera. Camera only. Screen only. Audio. Text-to-Speech. Click on Content Library. You can find Shapes, Clipchamp Selects, Graphics, Videos, Stickers, Backgrounds, Images, Frames, Overlays, and more. Click on Text to see Plain Text, Text Styles, Title, 2 lines, Caption. Click on Templates again. You'll see ready templates for YouTube, Instagram, and more. Click on Transitions to see options like Fade in, Fade out, Burn, and others. Premium transitions are also available. Hope you understood. Click on Brand Kit to add your logo, colors, and fonts. Available in the premium plan. Change the video screen aspect ratio. Options include vertical, square, classic, social, cinema, portrait, wide. Hope you understood. Click on colors to choose background colors. Captions can be disabled. Then, drag and drop your video file onto the screen. Choose a YouTube template. Then click Add to Timeline. It automatically adds music, text, and video. Change the video aspect ratio to vertical. Then play the video. Hope you understood. Drag and drop your video from Import Media into the timeline. Play the video to see it work. Add a transition. For example, burn to the timeline, then play the video. You can drag and drop more clips, adjust their size, and add more transitions again and again. Hope you understood. Again, drag and drop more clips into the timeline. Adjust the video size to vertical. Then use Undo to show how to fix mistakes. Add transitions you like. For example, burn or fade. Then continue adding and adjusting videos again and again. This shows how easy it is to organize and improve your video. Hope you understand. Click Split to cut or trim the video into parts. You can easily delete unwanted clips from the timeline. Click Templates, type "Thank you" in the search box. Then choose a video. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Then play it. Change video speed to 1x or 2x. You'll see "Thank you," "Subscribe," "Like," etc. Simple video editing. Hope you understood. Click Export. You will see options: 480p, 720p, 1080p and 4K Premium. Also audio only and GIF. Select 720p to download. You can save to Google Drive, upload to YouTube, send to TikTok, or save to Dropbox. Hope you understand. Editing videos in Clipchamp is simple and easy, not hard. Do you want to try Clipchamp? It's supported on Windows. Download and install Clipchamp, then open and play your first video. Hope you understand. Look at the saved downloaded video file. Hope you understood. If you are interested, you can easily start working.